Hello YouTube, I just rode the Apache RTR 204V and I have my FZ25 by my side. So एक छोटा सा side by side comparison करते हैं. What this bike is missing, what this bike is missing. The pros of this bike, who should be buying which kind of bike. So let's start with the FZ25. I wish it had the riding modes like the Apache RTR 204V. It doesn't have that much super fine engine, like 4-valve engine होता तो इसमें और मस्त होता है. And along with that switchable ABS भी होना चाहिए, at least for the rear wheel, so that थोड़ा traction control भी है और we can have fun. But it's fine, it's good for your city and a bit highway as well. अब बात करते हैं Apache RTR 204V and प्राइस पॉइंट इज़ क्वाइट सिमिलर बिकॉज इसका 20,000 स्लैश हो गया प्राइस, इसीलिए मैं इसको कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ. दिस बाइक हैज़ आई वुड से मोर engaging riding, like posture, more engaging. This feels more engaging when you're riding it. You will be more engaged to the machine than the FZ25. इसमें आपको बहुत सारे फीचर्स मिलते हैं जो जापानीज़ बाइक्स में एंट्री लेवल में मिलते नहीं. नॉट इवन एंट्री लेवल, इन 200-250 सीसी में आपको ये चीज़ नहीं मिलता है. सो राइडिंग मोड इज़ अ बिग यस फॉर दिस. ये बाइक का सबसे बेस्ट फीचर मुझे वही लगा. इट हैज़ अ 4-valve इंजन, एयर ऑयल कूल्ड, 2-valve इंजन, एयर ऑयल कूल्ड. अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई लव द एग्जॉस्ट नोट ऑफ द RTR 200. and along with this I would say the fun part was the Bluetooth as well. अगर आपका ये कभी बाइक पे you'll be getting turn by turn navigation features and a lot of other things. In FZ25 that Bluetooth module is missing. You cannot even install the FZS one, the version like FZS version 3 का भी आप इसमें install नहीं कर सकते हो. Rear tires, obviously FZ has a better road grip, but the Apache is more fun to ride bike. Bigger bike feel आपको FZ देगा because it has a wide tank and 14-liter tank. And RTR is sleek racing machine, good for the streets, enough for the highway. You can maintain a good cruising speed of around 90-100. It's fine. And even on the FZ, I would say it's not much difference. Power figures, specification, I mean power output and torque wise, quite similar. Like ज़्यादा difference आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So that's it. And if this is like if you're someone who's looking for a bit fun to ride bike, RTR would be a bit more fun to ride on the streets as well as a bit on the highway. बहुत features है. Feature wise इसमें ज़्यादा है. A more mature kind of a rider would choose the FZ25. A more subtle rider and better initial pickup and torque. That's it. So if you're choosing your first bike, I would say you can get the Apache RTR 204V and switch it down to the urban mode. उसमें आप चलाओ, आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा. और कुछ महीने बाद आप, when you have become a good rider, like you can ride nicely, then you can switch it to the sports mode. You can try and have fun. So that's it guys, this was just a short comparison, side by side comparison. Acceleration obviously FZ25 का ज़्यादा लगेगा, just a fraction more than the Apache RTR. So that's all and stay tuned, see you again in the next video.